At this point, you should have completed your rough draft. While the bulk of your project is complete, there's still a few things you need to do before you can turn in your work. The first thing you'll need to do is revise your paper. Take a short break and then read through your paper again. You might notice an idea that needs to be expanded upon or a paragraph that would fit more appropriately at a different point in the essay. Now, revising can take some time, so be sure that you have enough time to complete any revisions that need to be made to the paper. After you've finished your revisions, you can begin editing the paper. So you might ask what the difference is between revising and editing. Well, the editing process corrects any grammatical or stylistic errors that you might have made while you were writing the rough draft, such as a misplaced comma or an awkward sentence. One of the best ways to make sure that you haven't overlooked something is to read the paper aloud to yourself. In some cases, you'll hear mistakes much more easily than you'll see them. If you need assistance with grammar or style, you can make an appointment with Leslie's Center for Academic Achievement. Having completed the editing phase, you need to cite your sources. First, check your syllabus to see which citation style your professor requires. Once you know which citation your professor wants you to use, head over to Leslie's research guides and select either MLA or APA. Another resource that can show you how to cite your sources is the Purdue Owl, which can be found by following the link at the bottom of this tutorial. The Owl offers MLA and APA style guides, as well as samples of different citations and papers. If you have any questions about citations, you can contact a reference librarian through chat, phone, email, or by simply coming down to the reference desk at the library. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. As I mentioned, if you have any questions, please contact a reference librarian through chat, phone, email, or by coming down to the reference desk at the Sherrill Library. Thank you.